What's up, guys? So the cat is out the hat. I'm excited to announce that we're opening Talk and Fix Wireless 3 right here in Passaic, New Jersey, Monroe Street. So basically, I grew up in Passaic, so this is very special to me. This right here is my our partner, our main technician, Luigi. He's gonna be working here to start off the business, and we're excited to introduce this. So let's walk in and show you guys a little bit of the process of what's going on and basically how it is to open up a store. So let's go in. So here, this is basically our store, 315 Monroe Street. We got the keys, I wanna say January 1st, and we started right away. We started doing the floors, we started doing the showcases, we started painting, we put the lights already. So it's been a very, very fast process. The opening up the LLC, getting the keys, signing the lease, basically everything that you need to open up a store. So for this store in particular, we have custom showcases. So I know all our stores have the same type of showcases, but for this store, we're doing the same, but we're making them better. So I can't wait to show you guys that. This is basically the start of what the showcase will look like. By tomorrow, we'll have them in both sides. So each store, basically every store, every Talk and Fix Wireless store will look the same in terms of floors, colors, branding, countertops, even in the back, repair stations, everything that is involved branding and basically marketing. When you walk into a Talk and Fix Wireless store, they're all gonna look the same. So I'm excited for that. 2023, we're opening up. This is our third store. We are in the talks of opening number 4, and the goal is to open up at least 10. Not sure the time frame, not sure when, but for sure, it's coming. Because, you know, I've been in the business for about, I wanna say 10 years, actually a little more than 10 years, but I've been in business for about 7, 8 years, and it's basically been a goal of mine to keep expanding, to keep helping, to keep growing. So how to get started with a cell phone store or a retail location for that matter. The first thing I did is, I've been in the business for a long time. I'm like, I know how to do this. I know I can do this. I know how to grow the business. I have all the connections. Why don't I keep expanding, right? It's only, we can only try. We try, we fail, we keep trying. So I'm not afraid of failing. The first thing I did was find your location. First thing you need to do is find a location. What fits your business best? Where can you put a location that you're gonna succeed 10 out of 10 times, right? We're never certain about how you're gonna succeed, where you're gonna succeed, but you can always pick the best location for your type of business. So I feel that I have a lot of following here in Passaic, New Jersey. I grew up in Passaic. I went to number 3 school, number 4 school, high school. I've been living here I own a house here, so I have a lot of clientele. So we decided to expand in Monroe Street. So the first thing you do is pick a location, right? You start looking for signs that says for rent or for lease or something along those lines. And we happen to find this location in Monroe Street. That's the first thing, find your location. Second thing is you call the location, you call the owner, you negotiate a lease, right? You negotiate a lease, try to get the best terms for your needs and also your landlord's needs. And then you just sign the lease. After that, you give the deposit, you get the keys, and once you get the keys, it's game on. You gotta start working hard. So this right here has been a process of, I wanna say today's the 9th, right? Today's the 9th, January 9th. We got the keys January 1st. So we already did the floors. We actually built this wall that's right here. We built it because we wanted to make it flat. So in certain locations, you will need to start building walls, knocking down walls, putting ceilings up, putting new lights. There's a lot of things that's involved. By the way, you need to have certain people in place. Contractors, electricians, plumbers, you need to have carpenters. There's a lot of people that are involved. Luckily, since we have the experience, we have the knowledge, all those people were basically on call. So we had all these people ready to go, and we did the floors. These are the floors that are gonna be in every Talk and Fix Wireless store. This color right here. Obviously, we need to clean it because we're working on the showcases, we're priming the walls. So, but this is mainly the color. I can't wait to show you guys the finishing product. You know, the second thing is start building the location. And then that's probably gonna be the hardest thing, you know, to get the contractors to come in here and basically start working on your storefront. You gotta make sure you have the right colors. You gotta make sure you have the right branding. You gotta make sure all the measurements for the showcases and the countertops are in place and where they need to go, even where the TV's going. So that's all part of the process of creating and building a store that, you know, we had to think about this before we even got the lease. You know, we were taking ideas from our other stores and just creating one great idea, because we built other stores and sometimes we make mistakes, make errors, but you take all those mistakes, all those errors, and you just take the good things and you add it to the brand new store. So this right here, I'm gonna show you guys the process in about two to 3 weeks. It's gonna be our concept, our colors, our showcases for all the Talk and Fix wireless stores that will open up in the future. So guys, stay tuned. I'm excited to show you guys the process of building a store, creating a store, and this is it, guys. You know, I have the electrician working here. I got the painter. He's already started to paint. This wall is primed and spackled up already. By tomorrow, we're gonna have these showcases are gonna be here. They're probably gonna be more or less finished, but overall, I wanna say we're working pretty fast. Usually to get to this point, you're talking about 3 to 4 weeks. We've been here for 9 days. And I wanna say by the 15th, this store will be ready to go. We're probably gonna open up February 1st, because we want everything ready. We wanna have all the phones, the POS systems, all the parts that we need for electronics and repair parts and stuff like that. So by February 1st, we're gonna be opening up. The idea is to have a grand opening. This is just inside information. Grand opening by February 11th, which is Valentine's weekend. We're thinking about giving away an iPhone 14 Pro Max, PS5, and AirPods. So guys, stay tuned. Follow us on social media at Talk and Fix Wireless so you guys are able to win any one of those products. I'm excited. This is just the beginning of what I think is gonna be a big business all around New Jersey. So this is the vision, Talk and Fix Wireless. Stay tuned. You guys are in for a good treat. Oh, by the way, we are hiring. We're hiring all over Jersey. We need technicians, we need managers, we need salespeople. So if you are one of those people that you know how to repair phones, you love electronics, you want to join the team, hit us up on Instagram at Talk and Fix Wireless. More than likely, we're gonna give you our email so you can send us your resume. And that's it, guys. Stay tuned. Can't wait to keep showing you guys the process.